Go that way. There's people down this side. Yeah.
Rogan, you don't go anywhere near the water. Why are you going first?
Boys, don't let. Yep. We're just taking a little trail off to get down to the river. So the path all the way to the viewing point of the falls is completely paved, so anybody can get to it. It's no elevation at all. We're going to come on down. And let me scroll you over like that. So I just had one of those so busy looking at the falls kind of moments that I failed to look at the view behind me. And again, I know it doesn't capture on camera very well, but good Lord, that is beautiful.